Hi guys, Lloyd Smith, 3-Gun Dude. I'm out here at Small Groups Rifle Range. Babes with Bullets comes up here next weekend, a week from this Saturday. And what I want to do is I've not been able to do much practicing. So I haven't been able to shoot much. Work, weather. I'm feeling really weak with my pistol. So what I want to do is I got 3 Ultimate Target steel set up here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to transition. I'm going to come out of the holster, one on the center, one right, one left. Just kind of like that. It's only 3 targets. They're not very far away. What I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to get some practice, coming out of the holster, getting some hits right off the bat, and just a quick transition back and forth. Real simple, real easy. It's just getting in the rhythm of shooting, pulling the trigger, that kind of thing. Anyway, once again, running my Glock 17, CMC's trigger, CMC barrel, J-point red dot, Talon grips, and of course AngelFire ammo with these Magpul magazines. Everything's really nice on that. The Safariland systems belt and everything. So let's get to shooting. I'm just going to start out slow, getting the feel, getting the rhythm. Better. That one wasn't so bad. 2.67. I got all 3 hits. My problem is when I come out of the holster, I try to jump too fast right on that first target before I kind of get a good grip and everything, and then I ends up just messing my whole shooting off until I get my hand re-gripped, and by that time I've missed so many and makeups. So if I can get my grip right before I make that first shot out of the holster, I shoot much better. .51. Getting warmed up. Getting warmed up. .52. Hi guys, Lloyd Smith, 3-Gun Dude. I now have 6 Ultimate Targets knockover steel. I'm just going to be shooting that. They're a little bit lower. I'm going to try to go 1 for 1 on that, so see how it goes.